Good afternoon, my dear children. How are you today? Today is a very special day for all of us as Buddhists. Do you know, my dear children? Do you know the importance of today? Yes, can somebody tell me? That's right. Today is a Poya day. Today is a full moon Poya day. Today is Unduap full moon Poya day. Today is the last Poya day of this year. Do you agree with me? Right. Okay. Yes, children. Today is Unduap full moon Poya day. You can see our Lord Buddha, a statue of our Lord Buddha on the screen also. Yes, what did you do today at home? Yes, as a Buddhist child, what did you do? Tell me. You can do a lot of things staying at home because we can't go to temples as we can't go anywhere. Right. Yes, you can pay homage to Lord Buddha and you can do merit deeds. You can help your parents today. You can feed an animal. What else? Yes, you can talk good words today. Right. Though these things are the good things that you can do as a Poya day because all of are staying home. Okay. Right. This is our dictation time. As usual, shall we write dictation, children? Okay. You can see the words are appeared on the screen. You pause the video and write dictation soon. Hope you have finished your work well. You can see the words on the screen once again. Yes, you have to put a tick if your word is correct. I think you have got 6 out of 6 today because all the words are so easy. Right. Great, children. Children, let's start today's lesson. In our last lesson, we learnt about trees, plants and bushes. Can you remember, my dear? Okay. Right. Those trees are an important part of our world. That day we talked about our world around me. Yes, you know, as the biggest plant on the earth, trees give life to all of us. Trees give life to all living beings, including people and animals. Now let me show you some parts of the tree, my dear. First you see Okay, now let's see one by one once again. Right. Let's see from the top. Let's start right. Here you can see the word root. You can see roots here. Roots. Right. Then you can see the big trunk. Here also you can see another trunk. And what do you call these things? These are branches. branches, branch, branch. Yes. Here, leaves, leaves, leaves. Yes. The singular form is a leaf, leaf. When we are talking about all, we call it as leaves. One, here one thing, we call it as leaf, right? And you know these things, buds, buds, pohottu, fruits, gedi, flowers, flowers, buds, fruits, and flowers. And you can see a seed, seed, seed. What about this one? Yes, here you can see a sprout, a new plant. When you grow some seeds, when you grow a seed, it becomes a sprout one day, a sprout. Okay, children, right. Children, trees are very similar to humans. Just have different body parts of human beings. Similarly, trees have different parts. You are seeing these different parts like our body parts. These parts for different functioning. Let's have some more practice, children. Move on to your pupils book and turn to page 113. Right, 113. Right, Putte. Here you can see a big tree. A big tree. We can say, this is a big tree. This is a big tree. Right, we can see the parts of this tree. Here you can see, we discussed earlier, roots. Here, these are roots. So we can say it has roots. And this one, you can say it has a trunk. This one is called as trunk. Then we call this one, these things, we call these things as branches. You can see branches. So they are called branches. It has branches. And what about these things? They are leaves. So we can say it has leaves. Right, let's go down. See, read after me, Putta. Leaves, branches, roots, trunk, flowers. Once again, leaves, branches, roots, trunk, flowers. Okay. Shall we practice once again? Right. Let's start. This is a big tree. This is a big tree. It has roots. It has roots. It has a trunk. It has a trunk. It has branches. It has branches. It has branches. Right. Here, it has leaves. It has leaves. Right. These are the leaves. Right, Putta. Page 114. 4. 104. Let's see. 104. Here, let's read the instructions. Read the words. Read the words. You can see the words here. Draw a tree and label. Draw a tree and label. Let's read the words first. You follow me. Roots, leaves, fruits, flowers, branches, trunk. Right. Here you can see a cage. You have to draw a big tree. You have to draw a big tree, color it nicely, and label. You must label, name these parts here. Here, see, this is my tree. Here, this is my tree. You can see the parts, all the parts are labeled. You have to draw a nice tree like this. I think you can do this as a homework. Now, my dear children, let's watch another interesting thing. What did you see, children? Yes, you saw the birth of a new plant. And you saw how a plant grows out of a seed. You learned how a new plant is born. Let me tell you the steps once again, my dear. Here, children, now I am going to explain once again. Right, let's see. First, the seeds hide in the soil, as we see here. Here you can see a seed. It is in the soil. Then, the seeds start growing. Their roots are starting to grow. You can see the roots. They are starting to grow. The seed is divided into two. You can see the seed here. It is divided into two parts like this. Right? The small leaves come off of this seed. You can see small leaves inside. Roots go down. Here roots go down and shoots grow up. Here you can see a shoot. Shoots grow up. The peel of the seed finally removed. Yes, the new growth of a plant is called a sprout. Here you can see seed once again. Let's see one by one. You can see a root comes out. And roots are growing down. and seed coat falls off like this. The peel falls off. Then shoot comes out like this. Shoot comes out like this. You can see the shoot. Seedling we call it. Now it is, as you've seen, right? We can say this as a baby plant. Baby plant. The new growth of a plant is called a sprout. This is how a new plant is born, right? Now for further practice, let's move on to our pupils book page 140 as earlier. Right. Here read. Here also you can see the same thing. Yes, these are the steps. Sequence of a plant growing. You can see the sequence of a plant growing. Right, you can see the seed and the roots, new roots are coming out. Then they grow down like this. The seed is divided into two, and you can see the shoot here. Shoots like this. Shoot grow up and roots grow down, and you can see the peel. Here also, right, you can see the peel also. Let's see the steps one by one once again. Yes, you read after me. The seeds hide in soil. The seeds hide in soil. They start growing. They start growing. Roots grow down. Tiny shoots grow up. At last, seeds become plants. At last, seeds become plants. Right. The seeds hide in the soil. Here, the seeds hide in the soil. The seed hide in the soil, hides in the soil. Right. Then they start growing. Right. Tiny shoots grow up and roots grow down. Roots grow down like this, and tiny shoot here, it grows up like this. Then at last seeds become plants. You can see seeds become plants, and you can see a newly born plant here. We call it as a sprout. Right. Now children, let's try out our workbook. Turn to page 104 and 105. Here 104. Right. Read and order. Write the number in the boxes. You have to put the number in the box. Right. Here you can see the sequence of a plant growing. The steps of a new plant growing. Right. You can see these sentences are not in order. How you should write. How should you write? How do you make these sentences to a correct order, right? Let's see. First, I will give time to do. You will try. After that, let's discuss. Okay, Pute, start. Right. Hope you have completed your work. Right. Let's discuss. What did you find as number one? Right. Correct. Yes. The seeds hide in soil is number one. You saw these steps in the video also. The seeds hide in soil. Number one. Put the right here. Then number two. Yes, they start growing. Number two. Put the correct. Put the tick mark. Number three. Roots grow down. Tiny shoots grow up. At last, seeds become plants. Right. Hope you got a good understanding about the birth of a new plant now. A new plant or a sprout. Sprout. Here, we'll do the next activity also. Then you can have a better idea about the steps of a new plant growing. Right. Listen and number the words. Write the sentence. Write the sentence. Listen and number the words. Write the sentence. Here you can see four sentences, but the words are not in order. You must put the number in the given page. You must build up the correct number order. After that you have to build up the sentence. I will give time. You must do quickly, dear. Right, Puta. Did you get the word order? Right. I put the order here. Now let's write the sentence. Let's build up a sentence and write here. Yes, how do you make the first one? Yes, come on. Right. Seeds. Seeds. Here you start in a capital S. Seeds. Hide. In soil. In soil. Yes, full stop. Right. You put the right there. Number two. They start growing. Full stop. Right. Put a right there also. Right. Third one. Roots grow down. Full stop. Right. Right. Number four, there's a long sentence. But I know all of you know these things now. As the seeds, help me Puta, become plants. Right. Full stop. Okay, put a right. Who got all correct? Right, I can see. Okay, great. Now, my dear, shall we watch a different thing? See, leaves. Here you can see lot of leaves. When you go to your garden, you can see these types of leaves everywhere. See, there are a lot of leaves, different leaves. There are so many different types of leaves, different shapes, different sizes, and also different colors. See, children, it is marvelous. How wonderful the nature. We feel the, see, how wonderful is the nature. Right, you can see nice colors, nice shapes. There's another nice color. Right. Now, move on to pupil's book, page 115 once again, my dear. Right, page 115. Yes. See, Pute, listen and say. Listen and say. You can see two pictures. Here, leaf. You can see a leaf, and here you can see leaves, as you saw earlier. Right. You can see different colors. See, different colors, different shapes, different sizes. Okay. Here, leaf. Leaf means one thing, one. Singular form, leaf. And here you can see many. Many. Many means more than one. This is the plural form. Here leaf, here leaves, leaves. Here especially one ends with F into a plural noun. Remove this F. Remove this F and add VES. Can you see? Here singular form is made as, here the word is leaf, last letter is F. You have to cut this F and add VES by the end of the plural word. Leaf and leaves. Leaf and leaves. See once again. Here, as you see on the screen, when you make the plural form of leaf, you must cut this last F and add VES by the end of the other letters. Yes, when you make the plural form of leaf. Leaf, leaves. Right, my dear? Now you will meet two friends. One of them you have seen earlier. She is Handali. The other one is Lasindu. Today they are going to give you a good message about leaves. Shall we watch them?
Hello my dear friends, let's learn about leaves. Big leaves, small leaves, green leaves, brown leaves, wavy leaves. Give me the crown of leaves. This is my crown of leaves. Is this nice, my dear friends? Do you know leaves are the food machines in the earth? So then, let's save the trees. Bye-bye, my dear friends.
This is my crown of the leaves. It is so beautiful.
Hello, my dear friends. Let's learn about leaves. Big leaves, small leaves, green leaves, brown leaves, wavy leaves. Give me the crown of leaves. This is my crown of leaves. Is this nice, my dear friends? Do you know leaves are the food machines in the earth? So then, let's save the trees. Bye bye, my dear friends.
This is my crown of the leaves. It is so beautiful.
Let's listen to them once again.
Hello, my dear friends. Let's learn about leaves. Big leaves, small leaves, green leaves, brown leaves, wavy leaves. Give me the crown of leaves. This is my crown of leaves. Is this nice, my dear friends? Do you know leaves are the food machines in the earth? So then, let's save the trees. Bye bye, my dear friends.
This is my crown of the leaves. It is so beautiful.
So interesting, dear Sandali and Lasindu. Wish you all the best. Here 115 once again. Yes, as our friend showed, there are very nice crowns. They are made of leaves. You can see leaves here also. You can see, let's read big leaf. Come on, children. Big leaf. Small leaves. Small leaves. Green leaves. Green leaves. Brown leaves. Brown leaves. Wavy leaves. Wavy leaves. Here you can see the shape of the leaf is like the waves of the sea. Wave. Rally සහිත leaf එකක්. මූදේ රැල්ල වගේ නිසා තමයි wave. Wavy leaves. Here a crown of leaves. You can see a crown made of leaves. Right. As Sandali said, let's see. Big leaves, small leaves, round leaves, wavy leaves, green leaves, brown leaves. Give me a crown of leaves. A crown of leaves. Children, some are green leaf crowns. Some are dry leaf crowns. Even flower crowns too. Shall we watch some crowns now? Do you like it? Right. Here children, you can see very nice crowns made of leaves. Here a nice crown with flowers and leaves. See, very nice crown. Here you can see it nicely. And there's another crown. Here you can see a crown made of different colors of leaves only. No flowers here. Here also only leaves. Here you can see flowers and leaves both in this crown. Nice crowns. Very nice crowns. Right. Okay, Pute. Now let's move on to our workbook activity once again. Here children, as Sandali said, leaves are the food machines on earth. So all of us must save the trees. All of us must save the trees and the plants, as they are our food machines. Right. Now we are going to move on to page 105. in your workbook once again. Right, my dear, here, page 105, sorry, 105. Yes. Draw and color. Draw and color. All are in plural forms, right? Bushes, trees and plants. You can draw here nicely. Not only one bush, you must draw more than one. Bushes. Trees also the same. Not a tree, you must draw more than one. You can draw 2 trees. Here plants, more than one. Draw a big plant and color nicely. Right. Next one. Next activity in page 106. Last activity for today. Right. Yes, you can see you have to read and match. Now we know these things. You can see the shapes and sizes of the leaves in this side and the words given in this side. Brown leaves. You read with me, my dear. You have to repeat. Brown leaves. Wavy leaf. A wavy leaf. A means here one, only one leaf. A round leaf, big leaf, small leaves. Okay. Now shall we start? You better match quickly. First of all. Did you get the page like this, my dear? Yes, I think you easily got it. Here this one is the wavy leaf. Here. Wavy leaf. And this one is the round leaf. Small leaves, big leaf, brown leaves. Right. I think you all got it. Hope you got something today, my dear. We'll meet again on coming Friday. So, let's wind up today. Have a nice day, my dear. Bye-bye.